Saizi ni kama miaka karibu 10 nikifanya tu kulima. Changamoto yenye wakulima wenzangu wanapitia ni kama trakta hakuna karibu, wanakuwa na shida kwa upande wa ukulima kama kuna trakta karibu, lakini kwa vile tumepata trakta.
Kitambo tulikuwa tunatumia ng'ombe kulima, alafu tukarudi tukaanza kutumia tingatinga. Kupata tingatinga ilikuwa ngumu, lakini kwa sababu tingatinga lazima itoke huko sehemu za Rift Valley. Tulikuwa tunapata tingatinga kupitia broker. Unaweza ongea na broker kama this week akuletee tingatinga after 2 weeks hivi.
You know, you can ring somebody that you want the tractor within a certain time, but he also has other customers. So instead of telling you that I'll come on Friday, Friday comes, he doesn't come. The following week, he doesn't come. When he comes now, he's a bit late. You'll be forced to plant late, and you might not be fortunate if the rains don't work out well for you.
It was very difficult to get a tractor to do mechanization. So farmers were suffering. So I started helping farmers by talking to some tractor owners to come and help us. By the time I was receiving the tractor in January 20th, I had aggregated 1,800 acres that needed plowing. That's why Elo Tractor gave me that tractor without any down payment. I've gone to several places to seek a way in which I can own a tractor. I've gone to several banks. I'd even saved with a certain bank, and they gave me a lot of requirements that as a lay farmer I could not be able to meet. It's an uphill task. So as I compare the other credit facilities arrangement and this Hello Tractor pay as you go, this one is just a walk-off. Whatever I was asked was my photocopy of my ID and KRA pin. All those 2 requirements. Those are the documents I submitted, and I own this tractor.
Capital can unlock the opportunity within the sector, but commercial banks aren't lending. And so we came into the market with a different hypothesis. And that's when we launched the pay-as-you-go tractor finance product supported by Heifer International. This product identifies community-based booking agents who have pre-identified and pre-booked enough farmers in the Hello Tractor app to actually absorb an entire tractor themselves. We identify those booking agents, finance the right equipment for them to now become tractor owners themselves, servicing the farmers in their network directly. And as they service that demand, they're making small loan repayments based on the usage of the tractor. So it's a pay-as-you-go model. So we have GPS monitoring devices embedded into all of the tractors, and our account managers actively monitor how much work each tractor is doing. And repayments are tied to the work that is completed. And we collect every single week. We started here in Kenya with our first 6 borrowers, and we've already seen phenomenal results out of our borrowers as compared to the over 3,000 tractors that we have currently operating in our marketplace. On average, let's just take February, a tractor owner did roughly 45 farms in the month. Our pay-as-you-go borrowers did 175 farms. So there's a significant increase in the productivity of these tractor owners who are financed under our program to reach more farm communities with tractor services.
Sasa kukuwa na trakta kwa kijiji chetu itatusaidia sana, sababu tuko na wakulima wenye wanalima season zote.
This is a good development in the area, in the sense that we will now be hopeful of getting our farms done before the rains, and that would be very good for the area.
Raundi naona nimelipa kidogo kushinda last year. Shamba yangu haifiki eka, ni nusu. Nilikuwa nalima na 2,500 kitambo. Sai nililipa kidogo, nilipa 17.
Mapato yenye inapata inanisaidia. Kwa sahii mimi nalipwa 10% ya kazi nimefanya. So nikifanya bidii, nifanya eka nyingi, nitapata mapato ya juu. So bidii yangu ndio itanifanya nipate. So inanisaidia, nanilisha watoto, hata kuna masamba nimelima, inanisaidia.
It has really changed my life because I've seen my income increase tremendously, and I've been able to do a lot by repaying the loan, saving for the tractor, and there's still something floating that I can use for my family, paying school fees and all that. In fact, I'm seeing an opportunity of owning another tractor because I have a lot of acreages to service, but one machine is not enough.
We're using these commercial approaches to truly reach deep into the market at the base of the pyramid and impact the lives of smallholder farmers. Over 55% of our customers are receiving tractor services for the first time through Hello Tractor, and it's having a meaningful impact on their revenue because we work almost exclusively with smallholder farmers living at or below the poverty line. So we're excited to see how that is benefiting these communities, both at the household level, but also at the regional food security level.